Not this, I forgot. Yeah, we take the images, we take the videos, and also the pricing from the vendor, and we import to the Shopify store. We import to the Shopify store. Just give me a second. Somebody ask me questions here. Please make it screen zoom. Okay. Let me do one thing for you. Okay, I think this is okay. Okay. No inventory example. We take a watch. We take the images. We take the videos. We take the pricing from the vendor, and we import to the Shopify store. Now here, what we do is, if the watch is costing you $10, right? $10, you sell it for 2.5 to 3.5 times more. If the watch is costing you $10, you sell it for 2.5 to 3.5 more and target the customers. Target the customers. Here, important note. That is, whenever you're trying to select a particular product, right? Okay, you need to think of a problem-solving product. Okay. A problem-solving product. It must be a problem-solving product which increases the quality of life. Okay, which increases the quality of life. Wow factor on the product. Okay, wow factor on the product. Basically, if you have something like women-centric product, it's always better. Women-centric products, we get good number of sales for women-centric products. Okay, do not go for a product which has got 25,000 sales from a single vendor. Okay, because the product is saturated. The product is saturated. You'll get all this information because I'm going to tell you all this information. So always make sure that the product should be a problem-solving product which increases the quality of life. It should have a wow factor, and it's maximum. I don't say that to only go for women-centric products. Maximum, see that. Try for a women-centric product that always converts better. Okay, but do not go for a product which has got 25,000 sales from a single vendor. The product is almost saturated. So you need to consider all these particular products. All these particular things when you're talking about dropshipping. And much more important point here is, how do I tell you this? Have a vision. Have a vision of, okay, or else okay, concentrate on features of the product. Okay, concentrate on the features of the product. Okay, concentrate on why factor. Why that particular person should buy this particular product? What is that special that you have on this particular product? Why? Concentrate on something called as why factor. Okay. So these are the different things you need to take care about a product in dropshipping. That is a problem-solving product. The product should increase the quality of life. Wow factor, women-centric. Do not go for a product which has got 25,000 sales from a single vendor. If the product is almost saturated, because more number of advertisements, more number of people promoting a particular product itself means that they are getting good number of sales. Okay, so features of the product, concentrate on the why factor. That is why that particular person should come to you and take this particular product. So concentrate on the particular why factor. So if you are able to judge all this, right, then that's a winning product. That's a winning product. That is, you need to follow all these particular things, guys. That's a winning product. Okay. So winning product just consist of all these particular things. Problem solving, wow factor has to be there. And do not sell products which are already there in the market. Okay. Do not sell the products which are already available easily in the market. Okay. So you have to take care about this. Guys, questions in the Q&A section, please, not in the chat. Questions in the Q&A. Okay, I'll explain you the Y factor. Just wait. I'll explain you the Y factor. Don't worry. Okay. So Y factor bole to, listen to this. Why that particular person should buy this particular product? Why this particular product? If the customer is taking this particular product, how is that particular product is going to increase the quality of life? Okay. How is this particular product going to increase the quality of life? What are the risks that is involved? And what are the advantages? Basically, if you take this particular product, right, what are the advantages that you are going to get if you're taking this particular product? So concentrate on a Y factor. Always, you concentrate on features, but you're telling why you need to consider this particular product. You concentrate on benefits or the product benefits, and again you can answer why there. You'll have to have some FAQs. That is why this particular product is very much important, so that you can answer all the customer questions in the Y factor itself. So this is how it actually works. Let me have one more recap. We deal with the physical products when we're talking about drop shipping. Vendor will ship the particular product to the customer. Sorry. Okay, let me get customer. No inventory. Example watch. If we take images, videos, and also the pricing from the vendor, we import into Shopify store. In fact, we are going to use some tools when we talk about import into the Shopify store. If the watch is costing you, example, if you're talking about watch, if the watch is costing you around $10, you can sell it into 2.4 into 3.5 times, okay, or times more, and target the customers. Okay, so whenever you're trying to choose a product, you need to consider all these particular factors whenever you're trying to choose a product. So it's not that easy to find a winning product. Let me tell you clearly, it is not at all that easy to find a winning product. If you wanted to find a winning product, right, it requires, first point is all these particular important notes, and also the major factor is testing. The major factor is testing. You need to test each and every product that you think is a winning product. Testing bole to I'll tell you say. Why testing? Okay, why and what testing? Let me put something like this. What and why testing? Okay. So if you got a product, for example, okay, let me go to let me go here. Okay. Okay, done. Now, for example, I normally do the product research like this. Okay. First point, you need to have a specific niche. Okay. Let me talk about this later. Okay. Now, if you wanted to find a product, right, concentrate on a specific niche. Okay. Niche bole to maybe kids. Okay. Let us first, you need to go for broader things. Okay. For example, kitchen. Okay. Or garden. Okay. Or else, fishing maybe. Fishing maybe. Okay. Or else you can talk about, decor, home decor, automobiles. Okay. Automobiles. So you need to choose any of these particular niche what you wanted to sell. Okay. After this, these are called as a broader niche. Okay. These are all broader niche. For example, let me talk broad. Okay. These are all broader niche products. That is kids bole to in kids again you have many things coming up. Okay. Broader niche, right? After you take the broader niche, right, you need to narrow down now. Narrow niche. Okay. For example, if you take around garden, for example, garden. In garden again you have something like how do you garden decorators. Garden decorators. We have garden decorators there. Okay. Or else garden tools. Okay, gardening tools. Okay, gardening tools. Okay, gardening tools, or else gardening essentials. Essentials. Again, you can go with the plant cutters. Now, what I'm trying to do is, if I take garden, right, plant cutters or stem cutters, Okay, it is something related to garden and mud. Something related to garden and mud. Okay, you need to have a narrow niche on that. You need to have a garden. Okay, first you are going to consider a specific niche. That's a broader niche. And after that, you're going to talk about a narrow niche thing, that is garden. For example, if I go with garden decorators, garden tools, garden essentials, plant cutters, stem cutters, garden and mud. So basically, when you're concentrating on this type of things, right, make sure that that particular product is a problem solving product. That is, this particular product should increase the quality of a life of a person. Okay, you need to have some sort of vision that this particular product will work. Then now what you need to do is, you need to go to Google Trends. Google Trends. Okay. Let me type. Okay, let me remove this as of now. Okay. Winning product strategy. Okay, winning product strategy. I think it's perfect. Okay, done. Winning product strategy. First, you need to go with Google Trends. Okay, I'll tell you two winning product strategies, guys. I'll tell you two types of winning product strategy. Whichever you are comfortable with, you can go with that particular. Okay. First, check the Google Trends. That is 90 days. Take the trend of at least 90 days. I'm going to tell you each and everything. Do not worry about that. Okay. After that, go with YouTube. Normally, I also follow this. Go with YouTube. Okay. Now in YouTube, use a filter. Use a filter. 1 year. 1 year. Okay. At least 5K views. Okay. 5K views on 5 videos. 5 videos. Okay. That you need to check. And after that, take Unicorn Smasher. Check the revenue. Check the revenue, that you need to check once. And after that, what you can do is, we have a watch count. Watch count. Okay, this is a tool from eBay, guys. Okay, I'm telling you exactly what I do. eBay watch count. Okay, 200 watches. I'll explain you this particular software as well. 200 watches has to be there. Okay, so basically what you need to do is, you need to check on Google Trends. Is the particular product trending? And in this Google Trends, guys, okay, in this Google Trends, you'll check for 90 days, right? If you're checking it for 90 days, if you're checking it for 90 days, the average interest of that product should be more than 50. Okay, and it should be, it should be on the rising end, trending end. Let me talk in trending end, and spike should be on the upper side. I'm going to show you everything, don't worry. Spike should be on the upper side. Okay, so you need to follow this particular strategy. Google Trends you need to use. 90 days is what you need to take. There is interest of that particular product should be more than 50, and it should be a trending. It should be on the trending end, and the spike should be on the upper side. So I'm going to tell you what exactly it is. And after that, you're going to check that the same video on YouTube, and you're going to check the Unicorn Smasher. Basically, Unicorn Smasher. Why we use Unicorn Smasher is to check Amazon.com product sales. Okay, check the revenue if it is working good. Okay, now after that, copy the AliExpress URL. Okay, and after that, Amazon URL. Okay, this is what you need to do. We are going to do it. So, okay. Now, this is how you find a winning product strategy, guys. This is only one method I'm showing you right now. After you guys are comfortable with this, I'll go ahead with showing the other method as well. Okay. So, Google Trends, 90 days. The average interest of the particular product should be more than 50, and it should be trending end, and the spike should be on the upper side. YouTube, use a filter, 1 year, 5K views on that particular video on 5 videos. And after that, use Unicorn Smasher, or else you can use Unicorn Smasher on the top, and next after that, you can use YouTube. And after that, you use a particular software from eBay, that is eBay Watch Count. I'm going to show you that as well today. So basically, this is what you need to do. Okay, let me know if you have any questions still here. Tools, I'm going to tell you tools, not now. Not now. Tools, I'm going to tell you tools. Let me know if you have any questions, the question and Q&A section, guys. Come on, fast. If no questions, I'll go forward. I guess there are no questions right now. Yeah, no questions. Okay. So let me directly go to AliExpress right now. Okay. Now this is what you go to AliExpress. Okay. For example, okay, let me go to Google Trends. Let me explain you Google Trends. What are the products for feminism? Okay, I'll discuss that. Google Trends. Okay, just click on Google Trends. For example, let me take gardening. Okay, just see this, guys. I'm now going to gardening tools. For example, if you're taking gardening tools, make sure that the spellings are correct. Okay, gardening tools. Okay, now in the past 12 months, no, I'm going to take in the past 90 days. Okay, see now, United States past 90 days, and make sure that it is okay. Website, go with shopping. Google Shopping. Sorry, Google Shopping. Now see this is the trend. This is the trend. Okay, and if you wanted to add some category also, you can add some category, but no issues. Do not add any category. Let me take web search right now. Now see this. It started. The trend started 59. The trend started 59. You see half of this particular trend. For example, in the last 90 days, right? If you can see this, is a half of this particular trend more than 50 or not? Just check that. And it is on the downer side right now. So it started with 58 and it's ending up at 41. So I'm not going to consider this particular niche right now. Maybe let me take gardening, decoration, for example. Okay, gardening decorations, decorations. You can check that. Okay, it's not accurate word. Decoration. No, not at all. Not at all. Not at all. That's not that nice niche. Okay. Or else you can do one thing, which increases the quality of life. Bole to, you can go with the products which we can go with is okay. For example, cat food. For example, okay, see now, cat food. Let me take this. You know, if you're taking cat food, right, in United States, 90 days. Okay, it started with 83. Okay, now it's ending up 72 right now. Okay, it's ending up at 72 right now. So maximum, it's more than 50%. Oh, more than 50%. It's more than 50%. So now what I can do is I can finalize over something called as cat food right now. Okay, cat food right now. Okay, now again I'll go to youtube.com. Okay, and again I'll go to youtube.com and I'll just type in here cat food. Simple. Cat food. Okay, I asked you to create some sort of, you know, filters. Just click on this filter. Okay, just click on this here. Okay, and again click on this filter and click on the count. Where is count, view count. Now just scroll down, guys. See, just scroll down. Cat and Ben 19 million. I asked you to go with 5 videos. 10 million, 9.5 million, 5.7 million, 5.3 million, 5.3 million, 5.2 million, 4.2 million. If you wanted to use, let me use this, guys. Let me use this. A VPN, a normal VPN. Okay, now it's got connected to VPN. Now let me type in cat food. Okay, now see this. Same 10 million. Okay, let me go with this. This year, this particular has to be followed this year. And click on this and just type in view count. Now see this. So 19 million, 10 million if you can see, 5.3 million, 5.2 million, 4.2 million, okay, 3.7 million, 3.1 million, 3 million, 2.8 million. What I asked you is only, you know, 5,000 views, but you are getting good number of views here. So my particular product, which I'm taking about cat food right now, is good at Google and also good at YouTube. Now what you can do is, now go to Amazon.com. Okay, go to Amazon.com. Perfect. And just type the same thing. Whichever you typed up here on the Google Trends, right? Type the same thing here as well. Okay, cat food, and also here on Amazon. Cat food. Okay. Now you got the cat food items here. Make sure that it is Amazon.com, not Amazon.in. Okay, not Amazon.in. It should be Amazon.com. After that, what you need to do is, we have a tool called as Unicorn Smasher. Okay, Unicorn Smasher, which is a Google Chrome extension. Okay, Amazon Product Research Tool, which is a Google Chrome extension. Go ahead and install this Google Chrome extension, right? And this is the icon AMZ. You are able to see on the top AMZ near my cursor here. Okay, AMZ. So what you need to do is just go ahead. Okay, click on this and just click on this particular AMZ. Just click on this. Just click on this. Okay, now you check the estimated revenue. Okay, let me click on this. Is there any good amount of revenue that's happening from Amazon or not? Okay, give it some time. It will show you estimated revenue as well. Okay, now see this. Something called as Blue Buffalo Awareness High Protein, Blue Buffalo Internal Natural Adulterated Dry, something like that. Okay, here it is. And if you can see this 1,20,555 sales. So there is considerable amount of revenue that's coming, okay, to cat food. Okay, cat food. Okay, now this is okay. Again, what we are going to do is, we are going to go with eBay. Just type in eBay watch count. Just type in eBay watch count. Okay, just click on this. This is a tool from eBay, guys. Because foreign countries, people use eBay a lot. So let me click on this eBay watch count. Now see this. Here, make sure that it is yes, whatever country you're searching, whatever country you wanted to market to. For example, you wanted to market to US, and here again, cat food. Okay, sure, simple. Now see, what I asked you, make sure that you should have at least 200 watchers, right? Now see this. 1,374, 613, 529, 416, 418. That is, people are watching on this particular product on eBay. Okay. On eBay, they are actually watching about this particular product. So this particular product may be a good one for you to promote. So now what you need to do is, just go ahead and go with Google spreadsheet. What do you call Google Forms or Google Sheets? Okay, just go to Google Sheets, right? Okay, just put a heading product research. Product research here. Now just type in niche. Okay, after that just type in Google Trends. Okay, after that just type in YouTube. After that type in Unicorn Smasher. Okay, after that you can type in watch count. And here what you can do is AliExpress URL. Okay, and here what you can do, Amazon URL. Amazon product URL. Okay, product URL. So you need to find you need to, or else you can make it as a product here. Okay, it's okay if you can make it as a product here. That's definitely fine. Make it as a product. Product, Google Trends, YouTube, Unicorn Smasher, Watch Count, AliExpress URL, and Amazon URL. So here, guys, listen to this very carefully right now. Now I got a confirmation saying that some sort of confirmation, not a winning product right now. So I'm getting some confidence right now saying that there are people in US right now who are actually searching for cat food. Okay, who are actually searching for cat food. So the confirmation is from Google Trends because Google Trends is showing me good amount of results. Okay, on YouTube it's showing me good number of results. On Unicorn Smasher also it's showing good number of results, and eBay also good number of watchers. So what will I do is I'll go ahead and type in cat food. Okay, Google Trends. Yes. Okay. YouTube. Yes. Unicorn Smasher. Maybe. I can't say that. I can't because we do not have a reference point there. So let me put maybe. Okay, or else you can put your revenue here. Whatever revenue you see, you can put the revenue here. Watch count. If it is satisfied, say yes. Okay. Now what you do is go to AliExpress. Now go to AliExpress. Okay. Just click on. Just go to home page. How much should we engagement and spike score for a product? I hope I answered that question. Okay. Go to AliExpress and just type in cat food here. Okay. Just type in cat food. Simple. That's it. Okay. Now after that, what I asked you to go with good number of orders, just click on good number of orders. And see this, guys, I got good number of orders. Sorry, I clicked on good number of orders here. And if you can see this here, okay, this particular product is trending, it seems. Let me click on this. Okay. Okay, this particular product. Okay, let me see what exactly this particular product all about. Okay. What is this particular product? I'm not able to understand what is the particular product, but good number of sales, 15,000 sales already. Okay, click on this. Let me download this video, man. Okay. Let me download this video. Yes. Okay, the video got downloaded. Let me extract it. Extract specific folder. Let me take to the desktop. Yes. That's a nice product, man. That's a good product. Okay. Now, how much should be minimum revenue on Unicorn Smasher? There's nothing called as minimum revenue on Unicorn Smasher. Just check if they're getting consistent number of sales and check the reviews. There's nothing like they're getting good number of revenue or something like that. But what you can do is you're getting some ideas basically. Are this particular product trending right now? Are these particular products getting some sort of revenue? If you do not want it to go with Unicorn Smasher, is also okay, but I suggest you to go with Unicorn Smasher as well. Okay. Now what you can do is How to download the video? I'm going to tell that Sayan. Just wait, I'm going to tell you that. I'm just going to tell you that. Okay. Now see this, guys. Now I'm going to tell you a tool, guys. Okay. I do not know if I told you this particular tool in my webinar earlier. People who attended my 99 rupees webinar, I do not know this particular tool. Did I tell you about this particular tool or not? But I use this particular tool. The tool name is okay. Okay. The tool I use is a free tool, Asifi tool. How many of you remember this, guys? Let me know in the chat box. How many of you remember this? Let me know in the chat box. I don't know. Maybe in excitement, I told you this particular tool. No. Okay, Akib says no. Do not know. Okay, perfect. No, okay, done. Okay, done. So I use a tool called as, it was not mentioned in the webinar. Okay, nice. Okay, the tool that I use is called as Asifi tool, guys. Okay, this particular tool. This is again a Google Chrome extension. Okay, this is a tool. Okay, this is the tool which I'm talking about. This is a Google Chrome extension again. Okay, go back to cat food, for example. Just click on this. You're talking about this particular product. Maybe you are in a mood saying that maybe you have a gut feeling inside you saying that this particular tool will get good number of sales. What you need to do right now is install this particular Google Chrome extension. Okay, let me write here in the here itself. Asifi tool. Okay. Install this tool. Okay. It's a Google Chrome extension. It's a Google Chrome extension. Install this. Okay, now I'll tell you how to work on this particular Asifi. Okay, now see this. For example, you are researching on this particular product. Go ahead and install this particular Asifi Google Chrome extension. Just go ahead. And here, if you can see this, guys, if you can see this, log into AliExpress account to view sales statistics. Okay, if you just go to aliexpress.com, if you just go to aliexpress.com, right, you will not get these details. Okay, you're not going to get these details for sure. When you install this particular tool called as Asifi, only then you'll be able to see this particular sales. Okay, now let me check if I'm logged into this particular account. Okay. Account. Okay, sign in. Let me sign in. I'm telling the exact method I follow in getting a product for you. Okay, now see this, guys. Now I got the sales statistics. If you can see, I got the sales statistics here. Just click on this. Now see, I'm getting sales statistics all over world right now. In the past 6 months, this product has got around 15,701 sales only from AliExpress. In the last 30 days, 2,616 sold out. In the last 14 days, 1,207. In the last 7 days, 603. Estimated by day. Every day, this particular product is getting around 86 number of sales. If you compare with week 0 and week 1, so there's an increase of sales by 6.8%. Just to scroll down. If you can see here, France, Russian Union, what is NL? Maybe Netherlands. ES, I'm not sure what country it is. BE, IT, Italy, maybe US, maybe Ireland, maybe Brazil. I don't know, Canada. I'm not aware of these countries. Okay, now you can see here, it is giving you a clear stats saying that you can go ahead and experiment this particular ad in France because 16% of the sales for this particular product came from a particular country called as France. Okay, now if you can check, more details are here. Okay, around 369 stores has already got this particular product, and this is good feedback almost. And if you can see this, it is a favorite. It's almost, if you check here, just click on this. It's favorite evolution. It's constant right now. Let me check the ratings here. Ratings is almost 4.6. Feedback evaluation, feedback is also good. Okay, so that's how you need to check. This is a tool, one of my favorite tools, which is free of cost. Okay, maximum dropshippers do not use this particular tool. Okay, so you can check the product stats here. So you can check this number of sales here. Last estimated sales 15,701 sales. Okay, estimated last 30 days sales 2,616. 14 days, last 7 days, and day by day sales. And you can see clear indication of increase in sales. Whether this particular product is getting constant number of sales or it is trending right now. We can just see this 14 September to 20th September. Okay, and if it is compared with 6 September to 13 September, that's 1 week of time. And here you got 14 September to 20th of September. If you compare these 2 weeks, 6.8% jump. There is 6.8% jump in this particular product. Okay, so this is how you can actually get into the details, guys. This is how you can actually get into the details. Let me know in the chat box how many of you are loving this particular tool. Let me know in the chat box how many of you are loving this particular tool. Okay, thank you. So much essential. So this is how you get the sales statistics. This is how you get the sales statistics. Now after you get the sales statistics, right? Now go ahead. For example, you wanted to market this particular thing. Just click on this. Just click on this. Okay. Scroll down. Okay. Just check. Just understand the product. That's it. Nothing more. Just understand the product. That's it. Are they having nice designs, or how is the description part? You can also use it for dogs, I guess. Both dogs and cats can use this, no issues. And if you can see this here, see, you get a good number of reviews here. You can check the good number of reviews here. 5 star 78%, 4 star 12%, 3 star, 1 star, and 2 star. Everything is there. And on average, you're getting around 4.6 review. Okay, very quickly added 11 days order, delivered to Ukraine in 1.5 months, which is kind of okay. Quality is very good. And we can see this, guys, and you can do one thing: sort by latest. Click on sort by latest. Okay, see 22nd September. Okay, 22nd September. If you can see this, so almost they're getting good number of sales from this particular country. And if you wanted to check a particular country, right? Okay, just click on this only from your country. See, only from US. Only from US, because US is not doing that great, I guess. If you can see this, 16 September only 1 sale, 9 September 1 sale. Okay. 1st September 1 sale. So I'm not that keen towards it. Okay. Just remove this. And now scroll up. So that's how you check, guys. That's how you check. Let me check if I can change the country here. Okay. Because we're talking about France, right? Just type in France. France. Okay. Just say apply. Okay. Now let me check if I'm getting good number of reviews from France, because 16% of sales came from France according to Asifi tool, right? So let me scroll down. Yeah. Okay, just type in only from country. See now. Now click on sort by latest. Now see this 22nd, 21st, 19th, 18th, 16th. Okay, good number of sales from France. Okay, 15, 14, 13. So maybe not that great according to me. Not that great according to me, because at least this particular product has to get around 20-30 sales per day. Only in France, you can try taking this particular product. But according to me, no, I'll not go with this particular product, because as per Asifi tool, if you can see, as per Asifi tool, France is getting 16% of the sales. Russian Union 12% of the sales, right? But if you check the reviews, and one more important point, a person who took this particular product, is not, it's not mandatory for that particular person to go ahead and write a review, right? You can also consider this, but if you're thinking like that, right, 16% of the sales are coming from France. That's quite okay. And maybe you can target only France, and maybe you can get good number of sales only from France. This is one of the ways of testing your product, man. This is one of the ways of testing your product. So this is how you check. I'm going to give you much more tools, guys. Okay, maybe those are some of them are paid tools, but I don't recommend you guys to go with a paid tool as of now. If you need any help from my side, maybe I can analyze that particular product and tell you that particular product, okay, are getting good number of sales, or what could be the pricing strategy for that. I can tell you that. Okay. How to download the particular video? Sayan, install Asifi tool here. You can directly download. You will get a download option automatically. If 300 plus stores already having means, can't it be there enough to supply and combination already? You should also understood once again. You should also understand one more point. If a store is having that particular product, that store may not be advertising as well. For example, I have a store. I import a lot of products to my store, but I may not advertise. So there are a number of stores, maybe 300 plus stores. Let us take 400 stores. Out of the 400 stores, maybe around, according to my perception, only 10%, only around 30 stores or 20 stores are active and advertising. So no, I can't go with this saying that all the 300 stores are advertising right now. That's not possible. Can you show how to sort by country in reviews? Okay, that's what I showed you, Nazia. I guess I answered that question. So this is how I do it, guys. This is how I do it. Hope you got my insights today. Okay. So basically, this is what you do. Now let me go to Google product sheets again. Google product sheets again. Let me type in here. Okay, how to add one more insert one. Now let me write it here. Asifi tool. Okay. You can have something like this, a customized one. You can have a customized one. Yes. Okay. If it is failing, just say no. Okay, if it is failing, just say no. Let me take one more example for you. Okay. Okay, just type in baby bag. Okay. Baby bag. The baby bag. If you're taking it to kids car thing, see this is a nice tool. This is a nice one. Just click on good number of orders. That's how you need to follow. Now this is getting good number of sales, 5,475 sales already. Now what you need to do, the first one, go with Google Trends. Just type in baby bag. Make sure that you use a perfect, spelling. Baby bag. Just say enter. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. And again, let me go here. Baby bag again here. Okay, filter. This here. And again, click on filter. View count. 5.6 million views. Acha, baby bag bole to it's coming like this. Okay. I'm not interested to do for this like this. And let me go back. Let me type in diaper bag. Okay. Let me type in diaper bag. Diaper bag. So here it is. It started with 59. Okay, ended with 51. That's pretty okay. And the maximum number of times, almost 50, 50% of it's 100% up on the upper side. 100% on the upper side. So yeah, Google Trends, it's okay. And just type in here. Diaper bag, sorry. Diaper bag again. Okay, go to filter. This here. Go to filter again. You count. Now see this. 1.1 million views. Okay, 566K views. Okay, it's diaper bag. 148K views, 129K views, 112 K views. The exact product 109 K views. So this is doing good. Now let me again go to eBay. Okay, just type in diaper bag. Show me. It will take some time to get the data. Okay. So no. Diaper bag spelling is correct, guys. Sorry. See the reason why I'm diaper spelling correct. Is the spelling correct? I'm not sure about the spellings actually. What is spelling, guys? Sorry. What is the spelling? D-I-P-E-R. D-I-A-P-E-R. Okay. D-I-A-P-E-R. Let me type it. D-I-A. That's the reason why you need to write good spellings. Diaper bag. Okay, serious. 1,436 watchers, 1,231, 1,078, 1,018, 838, 825. This could be a winning product to me. This could be a winning product. Again, after that, what you do? Just go back. Just click on this particular thing. Okay. And after that, just click on the sales. Just click on the sales. Sales. 5,516 sales. In the last 30 days, 919. In the last 14 days, this much. Almost 30 sales per day. And the Russian Union is doing good. After that, IL country, what is IL? I'm not sure about that. So basically, you can check this particular. So I hope I answered your questions. Spelling wrong. Okay. I hope I answered your question. So this is how you check it, guys. This is how you check it. And this is one of the methods of product research. This is one of the methods of product research using a tool called as Asafi tool. Interesting. Okay. So it's time start working. Start working. That is, write down all the niche what you wanted to go with, which product or which tab, which niche you wanted to go with. Write down all in a paper and start researching on a product using this particular. Hope you understood, guys. Now I'm open to questions right now. Let me know. Watch count is more than 200 is very good. Yes, watch count more than 200, 300 is very good. It's good from eBay part. Yeah. Any more questions? Minimum watch count is 200. That's what. Minimum is 200. It should start from 200 or 300, and it should raise up. My Shopify account not in active master. Just go ahead and take a paid thing. Please share the sheet you prepared. I'm going to share that anyways. Any other free or premium price tool for niche and product research? Start with this. I'm going to give you some more tools. Start with this. I'm going to give you some more tools. Okay, start with this actually. Okay. And the people whose Shopify accounts our trial period is over, just go ahead and take a premium version. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the session. I guess I'm going to upload this particular document and also the recording in half an hour time. Just go ahead and watch it again. Okay, one question. Okay, go and ask. It's not getting into it. Ganesh, just get me to a personal WhatsApp. Okay, Tuhin, yeah, please ask me. Please ask me a question. Can we find ads in USA market? Yes, you can find ads in USA market. I'm going to deal with that as well. How can we find ads in the USA market which is on trend? I'm going to deal with that. Please suggest some niches. Family, home and kitchen kits. Family, home and kitchen kits. Can I sell a sari? Maybe you can sell a sari, not from AliExpress, for example. Okay, let me take this question. Let me know in the chat box what sort of sari you wanted to sell. What sort of sari you wanted to sell? Let me know in the chat box. Larger, you said we can see any proxy tool to find it. Yes, you can see, but I'm going to tell that later. What is this? Python. Party wear and casual. Okay. Now just type in that in Google Trends here. Sorry. In US right now, in these areas, it's okay. 1, 2. Yeah, you can take a chance. You can take a chance. You can take a chance. Yeah, you can take a chance. You can actually take a chance. In eBay, in eBay you cannot do this because niche later, right? You cannot do this. Okay. What are the products of feminism? Feminism. Can we have a discussion on this feminism? Also, what exactly you mean? Will you suggest a vendor for sari? Maybe I can try that. I'm not sure, but maybe I can try that. How to add unicorn smasher? No, Asif is a free tool. Asif is a free tool. I'm going to tell you how much engagement should be on YouTube. 5 videos, 5,000 views. Please, sir, enough for the day. Too much basic today. We'll get confused. Okay. Need to see again how to check on Amazon.com. Shopify sending emails from your personal address. Yeah, Sagar, you told me yesterday, right? Maybe you can do something like this. Asifi, it is a pay tool. No, it's not a pay tool. What you can do is just go ahead, go to admin. Go here. Okay, go to your account. You can change email here. Okay, you can change your email here. I hope I answered your question. Change. Okay, new email, enter your current password. That's it. Simple. Is that okay, bro? Shashank, in another 2 more days, my store will be completely ready. Please review and share your valuable inputs. Definitely, I'm going to do that. Sagar, I hope I answered your question. Yes. Okay. So I'll take a break right now. Maybe I'll meet you tomorrow again. Ornaments. Okay. Let me take this question. Ornaments, you can go with these type of ornaments which are trending right now. Okay, go to AliExpress. You can take bohemian ornaments. Women love that. Bohemian jewelry. Just women love this particular product. Okay, bohemian jewelry. You can take this particular. Just copy this. Go to Google Trends. Where is Google Trends? Yeah. Bohemian jewelry. Is jewelry spelling correct, man? Jewelry spelling correct. Let me type in bohemian. Yeah, bohemian is doing good. Bohemian is doing good. Okay, and after that again just check YouTube. Bohemian is doing good. And if you wanted to go with women, I can suggest you this particular website only for women, guys. This is also made on Shopify. And yes, this particular website is very good for women. Okay, this is also Shopify store. Okay, this is also Shopify store. You can go ahead and check this. This particular store is also doing good. Very good, but also very good. Just go ahead and check this. Yeah. Apart from AliExpress, do we deal with any product platform? As of now, only AliExpress. I'll tell you more questions on that. Yes, one more question from PayPal name. What should be name? Okay. Okay, for PayPal, you got a question from PayPal. So what you can do is just go to your Shopify store. Go back. Okay, let me go here. Go to settings here. Go to settings. If you wanted to send an invoice to the customer, right? Just go to general here. Okay, you're asking about PayPal. Okay, just go to settings. You should go to PayPal account and do that, man. You should go to log into your PayPal account and do it. It will ask you the store name. Just give the store name there. That's it. It will ask you the store name. Just go ahead and give the store name. Yeah. I hope I answered all your questions. How to request a review from the customer? I'll tell you that, Nazia, it's too early to do that. It's too early. And did you process your order, Nazia? Did you process your t-shirt order? It's very way we could increase the sale is whenever add the product in the cart. Okay, and leave the website. They message me on Facebook with a discount code and offer me. Yeah, we have got tools for that. We can use this tool, Abundant Cart. That particular. Yes, just got delivered. That's nice. Congrats, you made your first sale, and maybe your customer is happy with that. Congratulations. Okay, just put a screenshot in the Facebook group. Just put the screenshot in the Facebook group so that others will also see that. Okay, guys. And guys, one more request from my side. Okay, please put all your questions in the Facebook group. Use Facebook group effectively, guys, so that I'll also know that you guys are working. I can also answer all your questions there in the Facebook group. So go ahead and you have a Facebook group already. Put all your questions there, whatever questions you have. Just go ahead, put all your questions there. I'll also definitely try to answer that. Please help each other. Please help each other. Okay. You can ask Nazia to put a small video on Facebook of how is her experience on the first sale. Okay. What she did, what did she do? Like after getting the order, how did she process the order? So these are the small questions you can share in the Facebook group. Nazia, you can go ahead and type your experience. How did you process your orders? Okay. How do you process your orders? Just go ahead and make a small video, or you can write it somewhere and share it to people so that people will also get to know some knowledge on that. How do we send an invoice to the customer, Shashank? We have an app for that. And also what you can do is I'll definitely answer that. We're going to send an invoice. I'm going to answer that particular thing. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. That's all for today. I'll meet you tomorrow again. Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye. Start working. Ask your questions in the Facebook group. Bye-bye.